welcome to Make Food Thy Medicine. This is Dr. Bijal Dave. So guys, we are in the middle of summer and today I'm going to share with you a cold cucumber gazpacho recipe. Gazpacho is a cold soup and this is protein packed. We are going to make it with pea protein milk. Okay, so let me show you the ingredients of this recipe. So for this recipe we are going to use 1.5 cups of plant milk. This is made out of pea protein and about 8 ounces has 10 grams of protein, and we are going to use 1.5 cups of this. Okay, this is from Bolthouse farms. This is what I use for smoothies at home. So it's a really good good tasting pea protein milk, and we are going to use a whole seedless cucumber for it, one small avocado, and we are going to use one small onion. I have cut it into 2 halves, and about 3/4 cup of cilantro, tightly packed cilantro, about 3/4 cup of mint leaves. I'm going to add 1 jalapeno or small chili and 3 cloves of garlic. So this will be a seasoning, and a little salt per taste. Okay, it's really easy. Okay, so the first step is going to be, we're going to chop up the cucumber. Okay, now this is an organic cucumber, so I'm not going to remove the skin, just going to chop it up into small pieces. I have washed it really well, guys. You know, cucumbers are like about 90% water and they are very high in antioxidants, so this will be great, a nice cold soup for summer. The next thing is I'm going to chop up our red onion. Now we are going to blend it all together, so we don't have to be very accurate while chopping. Okay, and then the avocado, of course. It's going to remove the skin. Take a spoon. We're just going to peel it out. And take the pit out. Okay, I'm just going to take it off with the spoon. Alright, that's easier for me. And then spoon. There you go. Now I'm going to blend this all together. Okay, so guys, in this cup I have 1.5 cup of the Bolthouse plant protein. It's right here. So I'm going to add that in here in this big blender. And to that, we are going to add everything on this cutting board. First, the avocados go in, and then I'm going to put the onions, and the cucumbers, my hands are clean, guys, so don't worry. And then I'm going to put in the mint, the cilantro, the 3 cloves of garlic, 1 green chili or jalapeno, and a little salt. Now I'm going to blend it all together. Okay, so guys, our protein packed cold cucumber gazpacho is ready. I just want to make a mention that in case you guys don't have the plant milk on hand but you have all the other ingredients, then you can make it using water too, chilled water, because I've made that and it tastes really nice as well. So I'm going to give this a taste now. Okay. So yummy. It's nice and cold. Always serve this chilled. It tastes so good on a hot August afternoon. Okay, so subscribe to makefoodthymedicine.com. We are on YouTube and Facebook as well as Instagram, and let us know what you think of this recipe. Make it, leave your feedback. Until then, bye bye.